In this video, let me show you how to factory reset your MacBook Neo. This way, everything will be deleted and you can start fresh in case you want to resell it or maybe have issues with your laptop. So first thing first, okay, make sure you back up everything you don't want to lose, because after doing this factory reset, you cannot go back. Okay, now that you know that, click on the Apple logo on the top left corner and select System Settings. Select General in the left side menu and then go down on the right side until you get to Transfer or Reset. Then click Erase All Content and Settings. Type the password of this MacBook. Click Unlock. It will tell you that your profile on this Mac will be erased, including any guest profiles or other users that are currently on this Mac. In my case, I have my account, and under I have created a guest account that will go away. So press continue. And now it's time to enter the password of your Apple account, not the password of your Mac. So I'll go ahead and type mine in this bar over here. Continue. Next, if you see this screen popping up, sign in into Apple account, enter your password for your Apple account to continue using account services on this Mac. Well, we don't want to do this. So I'll press cancel. And over here, sign out of Find My. We will have to enter again your Apple account password. So this is what I will do, and I will press the continue button once I'm done. Okay, I'll press continue now. And again, a new page will open. I have a two-factor authentication on my Apple account. So now I have to go on my iPhone. Okay, right now I see a request. I have to press allow. I'll just tell you what it is because I cannot really show you. And then on my iPhone, I'll see a code appearing on my display. I'll go ahead and type this code right over here. If you didn't get any code for any reason, click did not receive a code. Next, you'll have to confirm that you want to erase all content and settings. Again, you cannot go back. So if you have any homework, anything that is on your computer, well, it will be gone forever. So I'll select this red button. And now I will wait. The screen will go black. This is perfectly normal. At this point, don't touch anything. Just let the computer do its thing. It doesn't take that long, just a few minutes. So I will be back once I see something on the display. Okay, so 3 minutes has passed and now I am on this display. That may scare some people. Well, at this point, if you simply want to resell this MacBook, you can close the lid and this is about it. Or you can click the Apple logo, click shut down if you don't want a battery to drain. And this is it. If you want to set up this MacBook at this point, you have to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So as it says here, select the Wi-Fi network. I'll go on the top right corner, click the Wi-Fi emblem, Wi-Fi icon, select your Wi-Fi network, type the password, press join, wait a few seconds. Okay, now the Mac is connected, press restart. If after doing the restart, you're still at the same page, okay, it goes back over here. Again, go on the Wi-Fi and make sure it's properly connected or get closer to your Wi-Fi router. Okay, your Mac is activated, this time it should work. I'll press restart. Okay, and this is it. We are on the setup screen where you simply have to press continue, select your language, and set up. This MacBook Neo has a brand new one. All your information is completely gone. You don't have to be afraid that somebody will have access to your older account. Everything is gone.